Dear Santa, my name is Jamelia and I am 9 years old. I know most kids ask for toys and games, but this year I have a really big wish. My Christmas wish is to get the chance to publish and improve my book that I've been working on for a long time. I finished it a while ago. I even made the story when I was little. And it's full of magic, adventures, and characters I totally love, especially the dragons. I think they could really use a little Christmas magic to make them extra fierce. This book means so much to me because it's full of everything I dream about. Like purple dragons, they really are the best kind. Enchanted forests and places no one has ever imagined. And yes, some of them have cookie houses. It's a world that came straight from my big imagination, and I want to share that magic with others. This year, I'm not asking for presents. On my birthday, I want to publish my book, and I really hope I can. It would be the best Christmas gift ever to see it on shelves because I've worked so hard on it, and it would mean so much to me if others could read it too. I know it is a huge wish, but Christmas is all about believing in magic, right? So I'm going for it. I really hope this isn't too much to ask. I'd be so grateful if this could happen. Thank you, Santa, for making so many dreams come true every year. You bring so much happiness to the world, and I hope this Christmas is just as special for you as it is for all of us. Love, Jamelia.
Hi Santa, how are you? I hope you are doing great. My name is Tendai Gibson. I am a student of the St. Anne's Bay Primary School. I am in grade 2 Campbell. I am also the student monitor for my class. I live with my family. For this Christmas, I would love to get a tablet to be able to watch and learn educational topics. I would also want some reading books to learn new things about the world. In class, we learned about ways to stay healthy by exercising and eating the right foods. So I would love to get a bicycle to exercise and stay healthy. Santa Claus, sir, I would like if my neighbor's son, Ian, could get a race car for this Christmas. I would love to meet you in person one of these days to thank you for granting all of the children around the world gifts and to give you a big hug. And Julie Tendai Gibson, P.S. I hope I am not on the naughty list.